At AIQube, we'll continuously explore Salesforce's latest AI innovations to accelerate enterprise delivery. Hello everyone. Today's demo showcases an exploration build using Salesforce Agentforce Vibe, a developer-centric, prompt-based capability that translates intent into Salesforce metadata and deploys it seamlessly. Salesforce development often involves repetitive configuration, UI setup, and metadata management. While powerful, it can also slow down innovation cycles. Agentforce Vibe changes this by allowing developers to describe what they want and AI handles how it's built. Using Agentforce Vibe prompts, we created an intelligent greeting component that was auto-generated as Salesforce metadata and deployed directly into the org. Here's a quick walkthrough to the features. First, prompt-driven UI generation. With a simple natural language prompt, Agentforce Vibe generated the required Lightning metadata, component configuration, and supporting logic, significantly reducing manual effort. Second, local and time aware greetings. The component displays good morning, good afternoon, and good evening messages based on the user local and system time, making it globally usable. Third, New Year context awareness. For dates like 30th December or 31st December, the component automatically activates a New Year countdown driven entirely through the prompt derived logic. Fourth, Holiday and Special Day Display. The solution highlights regional holidays and special days, enabling cultural relevant user experiences across geographics. Fifth, dark and light mode preferences. Agentforce Vibe also enables us to define user selectable dark and light modes, aligned with modern Salesforce UX expectations. Sixth, automated deployment. Once generated, the metadata was validated and deployed directly, demonstrating how Agentforce Vibe shortens the build to deploy lifecycle. So here I have login to my user and I'll go and select the setup. Now you can see the Agentforce Vibe. You can click on this. You will be redirected to this page. So here are we demonstrating Agentforce Vibe for prompt-driven Salesforce component generation. So I have that pre or just a demo script written beforehand. This prompt act as a functional specification for component. Here you can see no manual coding is required at this step. Once the prompt is submitted, Agentforce Vibe processes it and converts it in the Salesforce metadata. I'll click on yes to all proceed. Now you can see the component structure is auto generated. Now you can see that HTML file is being generated. I'll click on save. Now JS file, JavaScript that handles logic like dynamic greetings and time-based behavior. It takes few seconds to generate this. You can also review this. All these files are generated automatically from the prompt. This removes not the manual write like HTML, CSS or JavaScript. Now you can see SS file is being downloaded or generated. This manages styling, themes and dark light mode support. Now we'll click on save. Now you can see XML is being generated. JavaScript also controls conditions such as local detection, time awareness, and special day handlings, while CSS ensure consistent UI styling. We can save that. At this stage, we can review the generated files to ensure that they align with the requirement before deployment. Now you can see all the requirements are being generated as per your prompt. Now it's ready to be deployed, generated metadata directly into the Salesforce org without the manual configuration. You can see the changes here. Now I'll run command to deploy. So here you can see I have logged in through my user and this is the home page. Now as we have deployed that component, we can simply add by clicking on setup, then edit page. The Lightning app builder opens and here we can simply go and select our component, drag and drop here and simple. You can simply save this and go back to the home page and you can see the component here. You can also switch it from dark mode to light mode. Here is a new year message and a countdown. You can see current date, time, date, also time, the location where you belong. This demo demonstrates how Agentforce Vibe empowers developers to move from idea to implementation faster using prompts instead of boilerplate code. At AIQube, we see this as a major step towards AI-assisted Salesforce development at enterprise scales. Thank you.